Misa talking about you, bro.
Misha think you are stupid.
Misa think you a bitch.
Misha think you get no bitches.
Misa think you're right.
Alright,
Alright,
cool.
guys, on today's Sons of the Forest.
Welcome, guys, to Son of the Forest.
we're playing. We're totally brand new at this game. We've never played it before. We didn't spend 70 hours on one save at all.
As you can tell, I am. Is this Yatsu?
Well,
Oh
on
no, it's not you.
sticks, no.
Oh, I found Yatsu.
We are across the map, bro.
I see that.
Actually, and it's getting dark too. You better haul ass.
Oh, something just bit
Don't
my
mess
left
with
nut.
this. Don't mess with the sea life.
See you later.
Have
Something
you hurt
just
the
bit
animal?
your left nut. Is that what you said?
Are you just not understanding what I just said?
Something bit your left nut.
Yeah, so I feel like something just bit me in my left nut.
You said that so casually.
So how am I supposed to do? Scream in fucking agony?
Yes.
And yeah,
Understandable.
something went near my balls, and it wasn't a woman. What the hell?
As long as I don't go out my pee pee hole, we're good.
Oh hell no! Hey man, you know why they're called cockroaches, right?
Joke's on you, I be fucking cockroaches.
The fuck?
What the fuck?
You guys be putting anime figures in jars?
What-
Nah, I'm gonna
With
do my
Kevin?
own thing.
Where's Kelvin?
Should be with you.
Yo, why does he run like an idiot?
I don't follow this river.
I'm gonna
Spiders!
get the gun.
Oh shit, the gun, yes.
Oh fuck!
What happened to you?
I exploded.
The fuck did you throw a grenade down or something?
No,
Are you dead?
no. I'm really hurt though. So you know the little the little jet things the jet boil things that, like you
Yes.
turn on to like cook food or heat up food and stuff. Yeah, I, I stabbed it with my spear. It went boom boom.
I just made a boom boom.
I just did the boom boom.
That
I
shit
got
exploded.
grenade.
Y'all didn't hear the explosion?
No,
No,
we're
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 really
far away
far
from you.
away.
Oh, cause that shit went doom.
Wink it through. Turtle! Die, turtle.
Motherfucking.
I just randomly
Yeah.
combusted. Boys, I got a gun.
I want a gun. I'm coming to
I
get
have
a
a
gun.
grenade. Alright, Kelvin, you stay here. If there's any cannibals that pull up, eat their ass. I believe in you.
Oh, oh, help me! Help me! Shark!
I don't have a gun yet. Wait.
Bitch, there's a shark and I'm
Help me!
swimming.
Help me! Help me! Run
What
away!
do you mean help
Quit,
you?
quit admiring the gun. Quit admiring the gun and start shooting.
Don't shoot. Save the ammo.
We climb in so stupidly.
Your face is stupid.
I said we climb in stupidly, you idiot.
Oh, well, your face is still stupid.
Have you seen yours? At least mine's legal.
Huh?
He's a Mexican.
Oh. Ah. Homie was getting the best head of his life, bro.
All I know is he came this way, to be honest with you.
Goku, run! Run, Goku,
Oh, he's
run!
right below me.
Oh, run!
Oh, he's right below me. Oh, he's right below
Dude,
me.
there's a big ass shark.
Oh, he bit me in the ass cheek. I got like no health. I got no health. I forgot. I have no health. Ooh, he bit me in the ass. He bit me in the ass.
Oh shit! Did anybody go get Kelvin?
No.
No.
Goku, can you go get Kelvin, please?
God damn it. No, I don't even like the dude.
We'll wait for you here.
Ugh.
Hey, it wasn't my day to watch them.
Yeah, my day's tomorrow.
I just spawned it. The fuck you mean my day?
Yeah, I took care of them the first day. Today's the second day.
Well, hypothetically speaking, I did make him follow us.
Yeah, but I'm the
I
one that
did
watched them.
You watched him for 3 minutes.
Peter said, "I will leave his ass there. I don't care. I'll turn
Don't leave
around."
his ass there, please. We need him. Unless you
what?
want to do all the field work, boy. Don't boobies. Oh, it's another one of those sons of bitches. Goku, you want to pop that hoe?
No, I'm gonna miss.
Why the fuck did you even grab the gun?
Cause it's a gun. Who doesn't want a gun?
That's facts. Search for it. Look at Kelvin. What the fuck is he doing?
Oh, I was just looking at that too.
Your brain
What
over here.
is he?
You're clicking on trees.
What is he doing? He's swimming, bro. He's swimming. Loki. Help me!
Bro, why is it
20
taking so
meters,
Move him,
Leo.
long?
bro. But like, move him, move him. Like,
I can't even know. I can't know. I'm mid-no.
Oh, that
Oh,
was so
okay.
close.
I was mid-no. You
Oh,
mid-no. All right. So, what kind of house do you guys want to build?
I don't know. It's a regular house, I guess.
one that brings a lot of bitches in.
Goku, we get absolutely zero, bitch.
So I'm saying the one that brings in one.
Nah, we got Leo here. Fine.
Oh, you better
And
move, you
one
idiot.
hole.
You too, Leo. Move.
Ow!
I told
Oh,
you.
I blocked it, bro. I swung that bitch in midair.
Oh, he's over here by me now. Come on, little bitch. You ever heard of friendly fire? I'll fucking do it.
God damn it, Goku.
Alright, boy. Only monkey in this forest is me.
I think I got like Vietnam flashbacks.
Goku on you! Your ancestors kill him!
He's taking a log!
Friendly
Hell
fire,
no!
come here, bitch. Hey. Get your bitch ass back over here. You're gonna call me an N-word and leave. Fuck you guys.
You remember that one?
Who
I
took our
lost
damn
that.
log?
That one video where they where they call him the N-word?
Huh?
The Sons of the Forest one where the guy calls him the cannibal calls him the N-word?
Oh, yeah. Kelvin, what are you doing?
Adam Driver, that's not the line.
What the fuck
What the fuck is he
Kelvin doing?
doing? I
What
can
is
see
he
over
doing?
there.
What is he
What
doing?
is
Is
he
he crawling on the
doing?
ground?
He's actually
Yes.
crying.
Oh my god. Look at him. Look
What the fuck? There's Leo just fucking capping bitches in the back.
at him. Oh, it's fucking hilarious.
Kelvin, do we need to put you out of your misery? Don't do it!
Oh, I
it
fixed
fixed
him.
It fixed him! It fixed him! She's so... Oh, never
Oh
mind.
no, I didn't. What are you doing?
Healing him so he stops doing the shit. Don't do it! Don't do it! Please do not kill him. Put him inside the house. He's gonna rot there forever.
He's an idiot. Oh, he looks so fucking stupid.
He really is a vegetable. Homie, really.
You guys like my pet dog?
Oh my god.
His name's Kelvin.
It's like,
I love you, vagina, but you
You
can't,
can't
be
be
doing
doing
that.
this. Virginia acting to Mickey. I hope they don't hit each other
Super
too hard.
pooper scoopers are just lurching.
The Phoenix sandwich only makes it tastier.
Where you going, banana?
dude, we didn't even finish the floor over here.
Oh no, we did. Goku's tree broke it.
What you talking about?
Misa talking about you, bro.
Misha think you are stupid.
Misa think you a bitch.
Misha think you get no bitches.
Misa think you're right.
Bird. Leo.
I dodged that bitch really.
Oh, sorry, Leo. Oh,
I'm
that's funny.
sorry, daddy.
I
Dude,
still think my favorite
I tried
one
watching it. I tried watching it again, bro. And that
Yeah,
shit's so sad how it turned out.
nowadays. Yeah, the old school is way better still.
Fucking Nintendo. But also, I love Nintendo because of Pikmin.
My favorite one though is whenever he's like,
Oh,
"Daddy, can I go
tree!"
outside and-" Oh, timber. I like the one where he's like, "Daddy, can I go outside? I'll play with my flashlight." No, Jeff, it's dark outside. That's the point of the fucking flashlight, Daddy.
I like the one where it was like with the nanny, and he's like,
Oh, he's like, what the
"Fuck,
fuck? What the language? What the fuck is this? Language? What the shit is this?
yeah."
Language.
He goes, "What the fuck?" And she's like, "Language." So I didn't say fuck, bitch.
I still like his rap too. That shit was fucking good. That shit was fire.
Dude, all I gotta say is Mr. Goodman was fucking goaded.
Yeah.
He's like Mario.
Kind of threat anymore.
What does he say about the crocodile, Blake?
I'm gonna get a Nile crocodile, or I'm a salt and pepper. Your balls, Mario, and get a Nile crocodile to chomp down on your balls. 30 or 300 pounds of pressure. Your balls coming the fuck up. Hey, look who's fixed, boys.
Can someone throw me 2 logs inside the house?
I got my luck.
I was about to say the same shit, but I was trying not to laugh.